Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace RAM sticks. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap to protect components. Next, confirm your new RAM is compatible with your motherboard and CPU. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, always back up any important data before performing hardware upgrades. This ensures your files are safe in case of unforeseen issues. Now, let's access your computer's interior. Begin by completely powering down your system and unplugging all power and peripheral cables. This is a vital safety step. Then, carefully remove the screws securing the side panel of your computer case and gently slide it open. Once inside, locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. They are usually long, narrow slots positioned close to the central processing unit. With the case open, it's time to replace the RAM. To remove an old stick, gently push down the small clips on both ends of the RAM slot. The module should pop up slightly. Carefully pull it out. For installation, align the notch on your new RAM stick with the corresponding key in the slot. Press down firmly and evenly on both ends until the clips snap into place, securing the module. You're almost done. Carefully close your computer case, reattach the side panel, and secure it with screws. Reconnect all power cables, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and any other peripherals. Power on your computer and boot into the operating system. Navigate to your system information or task manager to verify that the new RAM is correctly recognized and showing the expected capacity. Also, check the description for a link to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.